Okay guys, so I've got a Peep in a soup bowl thingy, and I got a little Peep in there. I'm going to put it to the test, putting it in the microwave, 30 seconds. Alright. Yep. Almost there. 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. Let's see it. Oh my god, that's hot. Oh my god. Okay. And here we have the aftermath of the Peep. So, squishy, melted marshmallow Peep. This is really awesome. This is my second time doing this. Putting the Peep in the microwave. Now you might be thinking to yourself, kids, don't try this at home. I say, kids, try this at home. It's fun. Yay. But be careful. It actually smells pretty bad, depending on how long you put it in. The longer you put it in, the worse it smells. I recommend 30 seconds for the worst, or least bad smell. Anyways, yeah, here's the results.